Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I-share ko lang sa inyo dito sa aking video for the day, yung aking persimmon. Usually this kind of plant grows in other countries like Korea and Japan as far as I know, pero I'm so lucky enough na makapagpabuhay ako nito. Share ko lang po sa inyo and I do pray to God to the Lord na sana tuloy-tuloy na ang paglaki niya. Ayan. Kasi unexpectedly, di ko alam na mabubuhay siya. I just planted the seed kasi favorite fruit ko to, and ayan yan, lumabas siya. So inasikaso ko siya, nilagyan ko siya ng mga pataba, and thank you Lord, nabuhay siya. My effort wasn't wasted at all. Tapos, and then I'm gonna share to you guys yung aking native dalandan. Seed din yan guys, tinanim ko. Maybe, medyo ano ako tawag doon, yung green thumb daw, sabi nila. You see that, 1 year na lang. Magbubunga kasi 1 to 2 years daw, according to some. But I do hope na someday, siya naman yung magbubunga. Kasi, inaano ko lagi dito sa aking YouTube, na lagi kong pineplex sa inyo yung aking acerola cherry, yung aking cucumber tree, yung aking tawag doon, sour soup or guyabano in Tagalog. Ayan guys, so dahil nakita ko siya, seed lang siya guys, seed. Imagine, lumaki siya ng ganyan, lampas na halos sa aming bubong. And then, naisip ko, nasabi ko, may nakita ko na we went to Tagaytay and I saw plants over there at Mahogany Market. So, I asked one of the seller na, meron ba kayong orange or the Japanese orange? Sabi niya, meron daw. So, I asked them how much. And they medyo pricey, pero binili ko pa rin. 600 ata. About 2 feet lang. Ayan. Ngayon, tingnan nyo guys. So, about to ano na siya, to fruit. Pero maybe by next year or next year na siguro. Kasi 2 years na siya today magti 3 years na. Ayan siya guys. And what's, you know, for some kaalaman, itong Japanese orange, wala siyang thorns in between the stem. Not unlike the local dalandan, meron po siyang thorns. Ayan yan. Talagang, ewan ko ba, sabi nga nila green thumb ako. Napalaki ko siya talaga guys. Diba? Like this. Tingnan nyo to guys. May mga thorns siya in between them. Yan yung local orange. Yan dalandan. Kasi kumain ako. This is how the story begins. I bought it in the market at natikman ko, tamis-tamis. So, hindi ko tinapon yung buto. I throw somewhere there lang, kung saan-saan lang. Then, nakita ko tumubo siya. So, diba? God's gift that. I consider that God's gift. And then, natutuwa ako. Binigyan ko siya ng kanyang jowa. Ito, jowa niya. Jowa niya si Japanese orange. Ewan ko ba, I have a very small space lang dito sa akin bahay kasi 60 square meter lang to including the house. Pero tingnan mo guys, I choose to maximize the place. And would you believe, meron pa akong yung guapo, yan. Malaki na rin siya. I bought this for about 1 feet. 200 pesos kasi nga ano to Pero tinanim ko pa rin. Then, ayan, awa ng Diyos, malaki na siya. Maybe by next year din magbubunga na to kasi ganito kalalaki, bumubunga na kasi grafted lang naman to. And here's another one, my giant pandan. You see that? Nakikipagpatangkara na rin siya. Nakikipagpatangkara siya sa aking mga tabi-tabi na nga sila. Sabi ng partner ko, paano daw mabubuhay? No, mabubuhay yan, mamahalin natin yan. And eto pa, ma-amaze kayo. I have this one guys. You see this cucumber tree? I wanna show you something about this Tignan nyo guys siya Diba? Nagpo-fruit siya. Ang dami rin Diba guys? You will be more amazed talaga. Tignan mo yan Binili ko rin to sa Tagaytay. This tree was bought in Tagaytay. It's 150 pesos. About 1 feet lang. And about a year, more than a year, ayan na siya Naku, ang dami na binigyan na it has given me a lot of fruits talaga na guys. Marami na rin ako napagbigyan nito mga friends, relatives. Kasi before, kung magbunga to, marami. Lalo ngayon, the characteristic of this plant is the more na nauuga siya ng hangin, the more nabubunga siya. I don't know if other people knows about this. But this is the characteristics of this plant. Oh, this tree talaga. Ito yung kamyas guys. Tingnan mo naman yung bunga niya. Oh. Hindi ka ba naman matuwa niya? You don't have to buy in the market since veggies and other ganito pampaasim are too expensive nowadays. So dito sa amin, pinipitas ko lang. And every time I decided to make sinigang, it's here. Just in front of my door guys. Ayan oh. Very small lang talaga. But it depends on a person kung paano mo magiging very, ano tawag doon, kapakinabang, I should say in Tagalog. Yung mga natitirang lote rather than planting na mga halaman na hindi mo naman papakinabangan nowadays. But I also have some ornamental plants. Normal naman yan. Pero dito, it helps. It helps a lot. Tapos ito pa guys, may guyabano pa ako. See, a very small place, but I used to maximize. Okay, that's all for the day. This is Mami Alona. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys. I love you all. God bless, and may the Lord keep us all healthy in some other ways. Kasi syempre, alam mo naman, if we're getting older, nag-iiba na yung mood ng ating health. Ayan, bye! Have a safe day, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mami Alona. God bless everyone. See you on my next video. Bye!